Okay, everyone, this is my very first Blythe. She just got here, and I am so ready to just get started. But I want you guys to follow along, hopefully, with me. Okay? So I've watched some videos to figure out the way to do things. And please bear with me. I'm talking while I'm doing this, even though that is not my preferred way to do a video. But I'm having mic issues, so I want to be able to post this if I get it finished. Oh, when I get it finished, I want to be able to post it for you guys. Okay. So, put it up. Sorry. And now I've got a small screwdriver, Phillips. Alright, I just got a little thing with sides on it, so I can put these in there. Keep them safe. Okay, now I'm taking this little tool to try and do the mechanism. I don't know if I need it because one person did this method and another person just stretched it out because they said they didn't need it. I don't know yet. So, you'll learn with me. Okay, so I pulled it up and to the left to get it out of there. Now, I'm also going to use this end, the flat end of this nail tool, to hopefully help me in case it's a little thick. I'm going to try the pointed end. Okay, I'm nervous. I'm going to use my nail. Okay, it's a bit gluey and this is also too thick, so I'm going to go find a thinner option. Okay, so I thought maybe I would use like the not sharp end of the X-Acto, but I'm just too nervous to like damage her. So I'm going to try something I have seen, which is simply just turn her head around, wiggling. Now I feel like I'm damaging that. Okay. I believe it's a mechanism by the ear that keeps them together. Okay, I'll try this. Just freaking have a nice Phillips head screwdriver. Flathead, excuse me. I don't know. Here I was thinking, okay, it can't be that hard. These girls make it look so simple. I think I should watch them again and come back to you. Okay, I'm watching something and I found this tool. It's flat. I'm gonna try this that I just saw them do. Go watch your own tutorials, really. I mean, on really how to do it. So I wedged it in there and I'm going to get this. No. Okay. I went and found a very thin little flat screwdriver and I wedged it in between and I just slowly went up and was popping it apart until I got where it clicked open here at the ear. So now I'm going to go on the other side and do the same thing. It's not going very There we go. Take the bottom out. Whew. And as you can see, it's quite stuck here on the back of the head. I don't know if you can see, but when I pull it, you can tell that that part's glued quite well. Oh my god. Whew. That's this section. Oh, see, I scratched it. There we go. Oh, a bit of damage there. It's my first one. Just a little bit of damage, but we're okay. Alright, so next we've got to take out the eye mechanism. Let's start with this screw here. Pretty sure I remember this being called like T-bar. There's that. And to get these things out. Having some trouble. I'm trying so hard to be careful. That's the big thing. So I'm sure with practice I'll get better at this. But if you're a newbie like me, it might be good to see the difficulty in my class. I don't want to damage it, so I'm going to watch another tutorial. Okay, I'm going to try with a little more elbow grease. Okay, while I was gone, I did a couple more things. One thing that I did was take the eyes out of the eye mechanism. Oh, I finally got the eye mechanism out. I think that's where I left off. I know you didn't miss me because it was all of half a second for you. But, oh, I sanded down the back of the faceplate. Just, I don't know if you can tell on the camera the difference, but it's really nice. I had to get started, but I saved the front faceplate for you guys. And this is the last screw that you need to get your front faceplate off. I was hoping it would come off easily. I'm gonna get a washcloth with some warm water and try that out. Okay, I got some warm water. I'm gonna try getting this sealant, the glue. Okay, I am so impatient. So, I think I'm going to try this. It's not deep enough. Let me get that out. I'm gonna leave that for a minute. Okay, I kind of gave up. I don't know if it's because I'm impatient or because this one's really stuck on there really well. But I'm going to do this. I'm going to soak it for a little bit. And while I was away, I got these started. I'm letting them sit a little bit longer. Got my lighter. I lit the ends of the glue stick and put it on there. Needs more time. I thought it was done. It's going to come off now. I'm going to redo that one because I was, again, impatient. I'm going to leave that for real this time, for a while. Alright, so the hot water kind of worked and kind of didn't. In the end, I ended up kind of just ripping it off, manhandling it a little bit. It's, you know, I've got leftover residue. It's probably mostly glue. Over here's the most damage, is to the little silicone skull cap. It's a little bit damaged, but it also might just be glue. Okay, so I just wedged it off so I could keep going because, like I said, impatient. Which also reminds me, I pulled these off too soon because I was impatient, and then I decided, oh, what do you know? I've got to put them all on right now because I can't wait that long. I'm going to wait for each one to dry. Okay, I'm going to start sanding Blythe's face. I'm starting out with a pretty rough one, and then I've got some other ones over here, all the way down to this one, which is like not even sandpaper, it's like friggin' just smooth paper. Okay, here I go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload what I've got so far and sand while I'm gone, and I'll be back to show you what happened.
Like and subscribe to our channel and leave us down below comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching.